What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we're all hopeful that Shiba Inu can give us the gains that we want, right? We've been looking for these gains for 2 years now, and there's a lot of people that, or there's some people that were invested for a lot longer. Some people that truly believe in what this could do, and others that are kind of like on the fence, like it could do something, but it really does depend there on a lot of different things. Now, I'm like in between that. I believe that it can do so much, right? Because Shiba Inu by itself, this is what it is, right? I know I put out negative videos on the ecosystem devs. I know I put out positive videos about Shiba Inu overall. Like, look at this one. Can you turn $1,000 into $1,000,000 with Shiba Inu, right? And Shibarium and all the articles and all of those things, how I'm talking about it's not looking like it's going to provide as much burns as we want to see. But then again, anything could change, right? They control the system. They control what they're doing there. They control how much will burn, how much the fees will be, all of that stuff. And if they decide to change something, they can change something. For example, when they were selling the metaverse lands, it was only in Ethereum. They did not sell enough, and they saw that people wanted to purchase it in Shiba Inu. So they got so much more metaverse land purchases because people were able to take their Shiba Inu and buy it. And in the beginning, they said that they didn't want to do it because it was going to decrease the value of Shiba Inu. But in reality, they just didn't want to have to sell Shiba Inu and look like the bad guys, because they would have sold it for real dollars or Ethereum or Bitcoin or something like that, right? And if they would have done that, obviously people would have been very, very upset. But they realized, okay, well, how about we make this available and they can purchase it for Shiba Inu, which a lot of people got excited about. They didn't provide any type of burns or anything like that, but they changed it. That's the overall point that I'm trying to make. They changed what they did for the system to mint with Shiba Inu. Well, they can do the same thing with Shibarium, and that's why it could be positive, it could be negative, but my overall thoughts is that it probably won't be as positive as people think. I like to kind of, lower expectations whenever I'm looking at a lot of different investments, because if you have it where it absolutely skyrockets above that expectation, then a lot of people make out well on the deal. But anyways, I wanted to talk about Shiba Inu and this article that I see, can Shibarium, really get, Shiba Inu or you to a millionaire with $1,000, right? So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K. You can follow me over there. Don't forget about my stock-related channel if you guys want to check that out. The link is in the description. But if we currently look at Shiba Inu, it's at 507847. For a little bit, it was looking like it was starting to push up. We are seeing it up about 0.4%. Market cap at 4.6 billion with $58 million in volume. Volume to market cap is very, very low. The ratio, it's at about 1%. You want to see that a lot higher, especially with something that's as popular as Shiba Inu. Let's look at how many holders there are. So currently there are 3.22 million holders, which is phenomenal, because now we're on the road to getting to I say 3.22, 1.322 million holders. So sorry if I misspoke there. But we're on the road to 1.4 million holders, which is definitely a great deal. As the more holders that you see, the more traction, the more of a push that you have during the bull market. So that's definitely a good deal. But like I said, I know some people may be tired of me, like, seeming like I'm going back and forth on Shiba Inu. Know that I'm still net bullish on Shiba Inu by itself. Shiba Inu is a standalone thing. It doesn't depend on any ecosystem devs. It doesn't depend on you. It depends on the masses, right? The community. It can't just be me. It can't just be you. It can't just be the next person. It has to be everybody together that truly believes in this position. And I do think that people believe in Shiba Inu a lot. And that's why you can see the success, because the success is driven around the community, not the community to change things. Because when you have the ability to change a lot, people just put in proposals and put in different suggestions to change a lot of stuff, and then it just goes back and forth and back and forth. Just kind of look at Terra Luna Classic, pushing back and forth on different paths we're going to take. But Shiba Inu is something that we can't change. We just support it by investing into the position, which is a big deal. Now, this article here, can Shibarium launch make Shiba Inu investors millionaires with just $1,000? The Shiba Inu community anticipates deploying multiple projects within the ecosystem. Chief among them is Shibarium. The upcoming Layer 2 network, while some proponents expect Shibarium to have an impact on Shiba Inu's price, the extent of the impact remains debatable. Yeah, we are definitely having that debate, depending on what transpires with Shibarium. Really, they can do a lot, but they're not releasing what that information is. They have released information, but a lot of people were upset with it, and they can change things as they go. Can $1,000 in Shiba Inu yield $1 million? In a May report, Shiba Inu previously made millionaires out of investors during its bull run in 2021. These investors raked in $1 million with only $12 of initial investment due to its bullish history. New investors anticipate a similar run in the future. Some proponents have continued to champion the narrative that Shiba Inu rallied to 10% of a penny or 1 cent or even $1, while the market watchers cannot entirely dismiss the possibility of such rallies. The chances of them materializing in the foreseeable future are slim. As investors anticipate a rally, the amount needed to rake in $1 million has been a subject of debate. Some project $100,000, while others predict a mere $1,000 is enough. Shib engineers a rally. Notably, a $1,000 investment in Shiba Inu would procure 128 million tokens at Shib's current price of 0.000007. These tokens reach a worth of $1 million. Shiba Inu would need to rally 99.9% to a price of 0.00, basically 70% of a penny. This is highly unlikely. The one major factor hampering Shib's growth is the large circulating supply. The asset can only attain rallies of this magnitude if the supply is significantly reduced. Shiba Inu's previous run was possible due to Ethereum founder, Vitalik, where he burned 410 trillion. So ultimately, and then you go into the role of what Shibarium is, and can it find a way to get there? Let's see. To end, the community members have tapped Shibarium as the major catalyst for the future Shib rally. The upcoming Layer 2 scaling protocol could bolster Shiba Inu's burns and introduce utility to the ecosystem, with the unveiling expected in August during the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Toronto. The community eagerly anticipates the impact of Shibarium's launch will have on the overall ecosystem. In addition, the burning Shib with 70% of base transaction fees collected, Shibarium will drive demand for the asset by introducing utility as projects on board the protocol. The sheer number of submissions in Shibarium intake form shares insight into interest in the network. However, the extent of which Shibarium will impact the price of Shiba Inu remains to be seen. Such impact will directly depend on Shibarium's adoption rate. Regardless, despite the possibility, Shib's ability to yield 1 million from $1,000 investment remain unlikely. So obviously, in my opinion, if I was to give you my opinion, sorry, I didn't show you the entire screen, but if I was to give you my opinion, at least you get the information. But if I was to give you my opinion, and I said that 3 times, I feel as though for Shiba Inu and seeing a $1,000 investment, obviously you would be able to get 100+ million coins. But there's a ton of people now, while the prices are insanely low, to where they're gathering 1 billion coins. Now, that's not me. I have about $2,000 worth of Shiba Inu, which is about 200 plus, 250 million. And could that get me to being a Shiba Inu millionaire? I mean, it could. The bigger question is, will it? And my opinion is, I know I don't see that happening. The reason being, I would love to see burns and everything transpire. The reason why it wouldn't happen for me is because my profit taking strategy is not about me getting to $1 million as fast as possible. It's about me collecting some of these profits to invest into other plays and, kind of make this position support other positions. And then if it gets to the point where things do get to a much higher level, they get to a place where we're burning a hell of a lot, then yes, that last bit that I have in there, the overall plan is to become a Shiba Inu millionaire out of the deal, but it's not the whole goal, and I don't think it should be your goal as well. End goal would be great and to set everything up to get it in place, but it doesn't need to be your only goal is to hit $1 million, because there's so much you could do with 100,000. There's so much you could do with 200,000. There's a lot that you can do with even 50,000, right? So just make sure you have smaller goals in place, larger goals in place, and you'll be good. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below, but I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video.